About to witness an epic river crossing here.
Dun, dun, dun.
There's 25?
Yeah, that's the one. Awesome. We'll probably end up staying 2 nights, I reckon.
Oh yeah? Do you know where our friends went? Are they down at the water? Or?
Well, I don't know. They might have gone down the swimming pool.
We just made it to a special place called Platypus Bush Camp, which is a little bit more inland, but we met some friends yesterday which invited us over for dinner and cooked for us, which was super nice of them, and they recommended this place. So we're just heading down to the swimming hole. Apparently we can see platypus here as well, which is one of the native animals here in Australia.
So we're really excited and hoping we get to see some.
Yeah.
This path is really cool too.
The office.
Very jungly.
The little huts. Look at this little area. Got a fireplace, guitar. There's a cockatoo.
Hi. Rocky, please don't let me get on you.
Oh.
Hi, Rocky.
He wants to get on us. Rocky is not happy, I guess. Oh yeah. Yeah.
Pat is living his best life. So happy. Crikey, mate. We're looking for platypus.
Platypuses.
Platypi.
Platypi. Are you checking the burrows out?
Yeah. There's one. Is that a burrow?
We spotted a platypus.
We saw the platypus here, and it ran all the way, or swam all the way around here. So about here, came back to its burrow. We saw a platypus. A little one. And it swam super fast. We could definitely not catch it on video, but it was still really special.
Those bats, holy. Oh.
Creepy spider. Just hanging and spinning.
Is it sleeping?
Every once in a while we
Is
see a
it
leg
dead?
twitch. We will not poke it to find out.
Oh, I broke my toothbrush. And how big it is now.
It's so weird.
It's a little... Whoa! Someone dropped it.
The rose, I'm so grossed out.
It's currently 6 a.m. and we're back at the spot we were looking for platypuses, trying our luck again. And I'm wearing Crocs and socks. Fake Crocs and socks.
And I'm actually cold for the first time in months.
Yeah, it's probably about 17 degrees right now, which is, yeah, the coolest it's been. It's actually a little bit nice. Time for an icy dip in the river. Tab's trying to swim to that island way over there. How is it?
Refreshing. So our fridge stopped working, and we're just here with our new friend Derek from the Netherlands. He is helping us with our fridge. How is it looking, Pat? What do we think?
I don't know. This electrical stuff scares me. I don't want to cause a fire, shock anyone.
Oh no. Especially not our new friend Derek.
Yeah. That's alright. Just 12 volts. So we just made it to this cute little farm here just south of Rockhampton. And we're just hiking up to this hill where all the cows gather. Apparently they surround you or walk around.
So we were told to just keep walking.
Just keep walking. Don't run. Don't do anything. Just keep walking.
There's some miniature horses.
Little miniature horse. There's another one over there. And we are walking up where that chuck wagon is up on that hill. Apparently it's a pretty incredible view. Gate number 2. You can already see the cows going up the hill. Let's follow these cows up the hill. Show us the spot.
Wild.
Made it to the top. Check out that cute chuck wagon there. Hi, Tam. Well, I almost stepped in that. There's even a swing up here. So Tam, what do you think of this place?
I think it's pretty awesome.
I pick our campsites good, eh?
Yeah, you do. Yeah, so cool. Got to meet some cows. A cow liked me a little too much and gave me a big old
Yeah, just like bonk.
at me.
Wanted some head scratches.
Wanted more scratches, but his head was huge. He knocked me over.
Picolo's the way to do it, eh?
Oh, they're so pretty.
Yes. We made it to Agnes Water, and Agnes Water is a milestone because it's the most north part in Australia on the east coast that you can actually surf. So we're just looking at the beach now. The waves aren't looking too good, or there's a lack of them. But pretty exciting. We haven't been able to surf because of the reef all the way up the north coast. So yeah, we're pretty keen to get back on the boards and get back in the water. Just trying to crack the coconut on the seam here.
Oh.
Oh, it cracked this way.
It totally is cracking.
It pinched me, but I think it's okay.
We've already got one smashed finger from our van. Oh my gosh.
Moldy.
Oh. Show the other one. Where did we buy it?
Just made it to 1770 and check out this sweet beach. Might be a bit of surf over there even. We found a spider trying to get into our house, and it's pretty big. Don't know what kind of spider it is. Just sat down for some coffee, and look what we found. Snake skin.